Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're doing is we're chasing down the Bank One Sensor One oxygen sensor on a 2012 Ford EcoBoost, and it's right here behind the turbo. I don't know if you can see it, but right off the turbo. Can you see the wire? I don't know if you can see it. It's right back there. It's going to be tight working in here as far as getting to stuff, and we'll see how much of it I can show you. Okay, so we're going to be using an OE part, this Motorcraft part, to replace it with, and so let's hope for the best. Okay, I hope you can see that. I was able to get in here with a 7/8 inch wrench. Can you see that? That is like the worst video. Okay, right in here, and I was able to get that loose. Okay, so 7/8. But if you follow this is the hard part. If you follow the line, it goes right here, then it goes right there, then it scrolls here, and there's the clip right there. And I don't even think I can do it with one hand. So I'm going to see how well I can get that undone. All right, guys. I did the 3 10mm bolts to get the heat shield over, because it's over here. That gives you a little bit more room. Barely. I also undid that. But the connector here is just a squeeze tab and push and squeeze. And then what I did was, the hardest part was I removed that little mount bracket from the where it mounts here. So once I did that, you can rotate this and then pop it off. Now we can unscrew it over here. Can you see it? There we go. I hope you can see it. Can you see it? And then it should come right out. That was the hardest part. In here somewhere. I almost got it. There we go. And there it is. And this is the failed oxygen sensor. Oh yeah, that's pretty nasty, dirty. Okay. And we'll get the new one in, and then we'll go from there. Alright, here's the new sensor. It's already got anti-seize on it, so we're going to get that in there nice and clean. Okay. The new sensor's in, tightened down with that 76 inch wrench. The cord has been placed, put back in, connected, and then placed back into the little hole there. I put the shield back on, the heat shield back on, and tightened down. So we're ready to put the lower cover on this, and then we'll clear the code. Okay guys, I cleared the check engine light. It's fine, it runs great, there's no leaks, and it seems to be fine on the test drive. So thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a great day. Take care now.